In this video, we will show you how to replace your mass airflow sensor on this Ford Fusion. This will be attached to your air intake. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Locate the mass airflow sensor just off of your air filter housing. We'll start by disconnecting the electrical connector. You have one locking tab. Go ahead and carefully pull that red locking tab out of position and then squeeze in on the locking tab right here and you should be able to pull this out. A quick inspection for corrosion, and we can set that wiring aside. Continue on to removing each of your Phillips head screws holding this in place. Remove the sensor from the vehicle. There it is, friend. The next thing you'll want to do is clean and inspect the mounting point. You want to make sure that you will get a good seal. Let's prepare to install our brand new mass airflow sensor. When you go to install this, you want to pay attention to the sensing agent. That's this area right here where this slot is located. You don't want to put it in the wrong position. We want to have that facing towards the air filter, not towards the engine. So when air is getting drawn through, it'll go past the sensing agent and read it as it should. Should slide right into position. Continue on with your two mounting screws. We'll start those in and snug them up. Double check to make sure your mass airflow sensor is completely secured all the way around. We'll continue on with that electrical connector. Go ahead and press it in, listen for a click, and then lock it down with your red locking tab. Got a little click from that. Lock it in. Double check to make sure it's completely seated. At this point, you can go ahead and close the hood, take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.